So first of all, what we're gonna do is like open up a template in Photoshop, and then what we're gonna do is just add the ink tool and the line tool. We're gonna use that. And next what we're gonna do is just insert the line in a straight manner and then change its fill to white. I'm gonna go with white because it looks more clear in the black background. Next, for that, we are gonna use eraser tool to remove its outlines. Yeah, so you're done. Now, after removing the outline sides, what we're gonna do is just go and click on it and go move it to the left side a bit. And then I'm just gonna select it and duplicate it and make copies of it, and like 4 copies, and what I'm gonna do is just put them on other sides. Perfect. Now I have made like 4 copies of it, and now I have made 5. We have to put some outlines above and some below, and then what we're gonna do is just go and click on the alignment options, and we're gonna align these shapes, the lines. Then we are going to insert our image. So this is a main image that I'm gonna use. So let me just remove its sides, and then we are gonna insert the other image as well. And I am also going to just like change its background color, remove it and make it a blurry, and then I'm gonna insert another image. Perfect. Now let's just give it a black color and then remove the sides, and like this we are just gonna diffuse it with the background color, and then I'm gonna insert another shape with another image and then clip mask it and just give it this part black color. Yeah, so like this. I'm gonna put them on different sides, and then it's time to like insert the text box. Yeah, done. Now let me just put the text above and change its font. And yeah, perfect. So yeah, that's the final result. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.